Alright guys, so good morning. It's crappy out here, gloomy day, and the car is filthy. Absolutely filthy. I haven't had a chance to wash it because it's been nothing but, you know, as you can see, it got rained on. Been rainy, gloomy, and all that above. We didn't get a chance to yesterday. You can see how dirty it is, yeah. Anyways, so we're doing the Burnseys RT challenge, or the cold start challenge. Just figured I'd make a quick clip for you guys so you guys can hear what mine sounds like. Anybody that's followed me, you'll know that I just have a mid-muffler delete. I got a 2017 Charger Daytona, so let's get it rolling. Anyways, you guys have it. That is the cold start on the Charger, and you guys can look forward to seeing some more videos this week because I'm going to be doing hopefully quite a bit of filming. I'll probably do some filming a little bit later today again. I'm hoping that tomorrow maybe will be nicer or clear up yet today because there's quite a bit of stuff that I want to do, but it requires the roads to be dry. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. If you're here for the first time, subscribe, like, and have yourselves a great day.